Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python functions with variable length arguments. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to a function is used to divide large programs into small modules. Technically, it is called as modular programming. A function can be defined once in a program. It can be called or reused any number of times. So basically, function eliminates repetition of code in a program and saves wastage of memory. So Python functions, they are of two types. First one, predefined functions, which come with predefined modules in Python software. Example, print function, range function, input function, etc. Second one, user-defined functions, which are defined by the developer or user as per the requirement in a Python program. So now coming to variable length arguments in a Python function. So these arguments are those arguments or parameters to a function with variable length. So here it is given with star variable name, and it is used generally as the last parameter or argument to a function, but not in the middle or beginning. Right, so for example, if you see here, I'm taking a sum function, and for this I'm taking one var args, variable length args, which is represented with star x. Okay, so now to call this function, we can use 0 input parameters, 1 or more. Okay, so for example, I call with one parameter sum of 10. So internally x accepts 10 and performs the sum, which is 10. Next, sum of 10 comma 20. So here x accepts 10, 20 and performs the sum, which is 10 plus 20, 30. Similarly, 10, 20, 30. So sum accepts 10, 20, 30 and performs the required operation, and then sum with 0 arguments, then also it is accepted, then indented block of code is executed. Okay, so here what is this star x? So star x is a variable length arguments or parameters, and internally it is taken as tuple collection, and tuple is represented in circle parenthesis. So if you are passing 10, 20, 30, so x will be a tuple. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example 8. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Right, so we'll do all cases one by one with the same example. So first I'm calling sum function with only one input parameter. So it goes to the sum function. So x accepts 10 as a single value in a tuple. So first I'll print x, it will print the tuple, and type of x. So type of x, obviously it will be tuple type. So I'm taking a local variable total 0 for I in x. So for loop will iterate depending upon number of elements in a tuple, and then calculate total is equals to initial total or previous total plus I. And after calculating the total with the elements in a tuple, print total or sum. So sum of 10, so 0 plus 10, so the value will be 10. Right, so come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run. So Python function example 8. So it is a tuple with single value 10 comma, it is of type tuple. So our input parameters in var args become tuple in the function. So sum is 0 plus 10, 10. Now let us pass two values here. Okay, 10, 20. So now it will take 10 plus 20, which is a tuple, sum of elements in a tuple using loop. Answer is 30. So next I'll pass three values. Okay, 10, 20, 30. So now x will become a tuple with three values. Okay, and its sum is 60, calculated in the body of the sum function. And then sum. In the last I'm taking sum. Okay, so I'm not passing any input parameter, so it is a empty tuple. And since no elements, total is 0. So this is how we are supposed to work with function with variable length arguments. So it is represented with star variable name, and it should be used at the last of the input parameters. So it is capable of accepting 0 or 1 or more arguments. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.